In this video, I'm going to put together my Christmas kitchen vignette for 2020. It's always the first thing I do to bring Christmas decor into my kitchen. The first thing I needed to do was to put away my fall kitchen vignette. And I already knew I wanted to use this little red wagon, and I was pretty sure I wanted to use the snowman, but I also wanted to use my dish with the little red truck on it. So after giving each of them a try, I decided it was gonna be the snowman. Next, I had to get my things out of the box, so I sent the hubby up in the attic, and he brought down the 2 boxes marked kitchen vignette. And the first thing I took out of the box, I broke. I could not believe I broke that, but he said he'd fix it for me. But I was much more careful with my unpacking after that. Once I had all the items out on the counter, I had a better idea of what I had to work with. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's homemaker. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe. One of the things that I bought a couple of years ago at Pier 1 was that little bicycle, and I've tried to use it in a vignette every year since I bought it, but it has not worked out. So I finally decided on the tallest Christmas tree and a particular plaque, and then I was ready to put everything together. So here it is, the finished version of my Christmas kitchen vignette for 2020. It took some time putting this puppy together. I knew right away that I wanted to use this little red wagon, and I picked this wagon up last year or the year before at Hobby Lobby at a 50% off sale. And then I also wanted to use my snowman, which I picked up last year for the thrifted cookie jar challenge. I knew I wanted to put those two things together, and the cookie jar was pretty large to go in this small wagon, so trying to figure out what else to go in here and get in all the elements was tricky, but I managed to do it. So here is my something with words, and it's joy to the world, which is something that I like to bring into my kitchen. Is joy. And this little red cardinal I'm just really loving. And I heard long ago that when you see a cardinal, there's an angel nearby. And my mom just passed away in August, so I'd like to think that her angel is close by. So I really wanted to have the cardinal in here this year. And then a couple little Christmas trees and some flocked pine cones as my floral. And then of course my Christmas elements is my little snowman that's holding a candy cane and a package over there, and it is sitting on this tray so that I can't move it, and it's going to live back here. So when you're done here, be sure and go over and check out the playlist so that you can see all the other Christmas vignettes that the other creators have done. This is the perfect way to get your Christmas decorating starting in your kitchen, and if you need ideas, you will find plenty of ideas there. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out the playlist on the Christmas Kitchen Vignette 2020. And I will see you next time.